Hey there guys, how you all doing? Hopefully you are doing better than me, because I am a very unhappy tech giant because my brand new iPhone 14 Pro Max has died. So just to give you a bit of a story behind it, I've been using this phone since launch day, been recording loads of videos with it, not had any problems with it whatsoever, been recording throughout the day today. Again, been perfectly fine. Until nearer the end of one of my shoots, all of a sudden this screen just went off completely. Didn't think much of it, thought maybe it just needed a power back on, thought the screen had just timed out, but no, nothing. Pressing the power button wasn't coming on. I held it down with one of the volume buttons to do like a reset on it, and still nothing. So just to prove to you, this is the new 14 Pro Max. As you can see there, the new pill shape cut out just at the top. Let's just try and power it on a sec. Let's hold down that power button there. And as you will see, it's not doing anything at all. Let's hold down the power and one of the volume buttons for a reset. Holding them down. Again, this would normally boot up with the Apple logo just there, but no, it is doing nothing at all. Now I can hear you all saying, well, why don't you plug it into the mains? Battery might be flat. Well, yeah, I've tried that as well. So I've got my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's plug that in. There we go. That is charging. Plug this one in. And nothing at all. And it was on approximately 92% when it went off. So as you can imagine, I am really gutted, but I've just made an appointment with the Genius Bar for a few hours time, because it's, you know, what is it, 4 o'clock in the morning. And yeah, I've got an appointment about 11 o'clock. So I'll be taking this along and see what they say. Fingers crossed they've got another one to swap out. And a bit gutted because I've just put a brand new speaker screen protector on there, so I'll be losing out on that. But yeah, I will just be glad to get it replaced and just be interested to find out what exactly they say has gone wrong with it. Right, that was an eventful trip. So I got some bad news, and good news. So first off then, the bad news. Sadly, I am returning with the same phone, and yes, it is still broken. Now, the guy at the Apple store ran some tests and he put some notes on my case. So it says problem description diagnosis. Issue, the customer reports that the device will not power on. Steps to reproduce. The issue was observed during the appointment. Connected the device to an integrated current checker to test if the device is drawing power. The test found that the device is drawing very little power. Goes on to say about cosmetic condition, no signs of cosmetic damage or customer misuse on the device. Proposed resolution, replace device under warranty. So yeah, that is the second bit of bad news. They didn't have any in stock to give to me. The guy said they're just so short of them, they're so hard to get hold of, they haven't even got any to give out for replacements. But the good news is, as you've just read, that they are going to be replacing it with a brand new one, which is on order. Now, the guy couldn't tell me how long it would be, but fingers crossed it doesn't take too long. Now, I did ask him, have they had any of these returned? And sure enough, I'm the only person to have returned one. But I'd love to hear from you guys. Have you ever had an iPhone, or any other phone for that matter, just die on you like that for no apparent reason? Let me know in the comments. Now, when I get my replacement, I'll do a follow-up video. But if you have enjoyed today's video and my honesty, do us a favour, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos like this in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today. Hopefully catch you guys next one. Bye for now.